Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Market Insider TV. It is Friday morning, December the 8th. Thanks for joining us here this morning. Seeing a little bit of a bounce in the grains overnight as corn, soybeans, both a couple pennies higher. The weather in Argentina remains dry and concerning, especially into the end of the month of December. That's when we could see a lot of stress against pollinating corn, and we'll get more crop planted in the next several weeks. So then at that time, we could see some premiums really be offered into the marketplace. A little early yet. We had some technical selling this week after failing to break above double top resistance in the soybeans, but I think this little pullback here is going to represent actually a buying opportunity to some of the traders, and that means we'll take another run back to the highs for those soybean markets. Now, we had some private export sale announcements for beans, and that'll be supportive this morning. 268,000 sold to China, and then another couple cargoes sold to an unknown destination. So certainly some supportive numbers for the soybean market. Other news overnight, fairly limited. The weather is what has my attention, a little bit of export business. And here in the United States, we could be looking at some rain and maybe some snow next week, and that could and should increase demand for meal and for corn. In addition, it's going to really slow down any transportation of old crop sales. Corn, soybeans, we're not going to see much of any sales next week at all, and that I think will be supportive to basis levels and futures in addition. So you can make sure you sign up to receive our newsletters that talk about all this information and much more, everything that happens. We've got estimates for supply and demand report that's coming out next week in our newsletter as well. In the livestock trade, another down day for live cattle futures. Looks like cash trades all wrapped up. 117, 118 in the Southern Plains, $3 to $4 lower, and $3 to $4 lower on a dress basis as well. Looking at 187 to 188. Hog futures were down. Both the cattle and hogs are seeing an increase in weights this week, and that's bearish as well. Have a great day. Good luck. Make sure you sign up at our website, MidwestMarketSolutions.com, to receive our daily newsletter, our trade newsletter as well, and have a good day of trade and a good weekend. If I don't talk to you again, this has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.